Welcome back to our channel. Today the Bajaj Chetak has been a name synonymous with trust, reliability, and iconic design for decades. Fast forward to 2025, Bajaj Auto has yet again redefined the legacy with the new Bajaj Chetak, a stunning electric scooter designed to meet the demands of modern riders while staying true to its heritage. In this article, we explore everything you need to know about the 2025 Bajaj Chetak and why it's one of the most anticipated electric scooters of the year. A blend of retro and modern design, the 2025 Bajaj Chetak retains its retro-inspired charm but adds futuristic design elements that make it stand out. With sleek body lines, premium metallic finishes, and a durable frame, it strikes a perfect balance between style and substance. Its round LED headlamp, stylish indicators, and well-contoured seats add to its aesthetic appeal, making it a head-turner on the streets. Next-generation electric performance. The Chetak 2025 boasts a high-performance electric motor that delivers smooth acceleration and remarkable energy efficiency. Equipped with an advanced lithium-ion battery, the scooter offers a substantial range of up to 120 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Additionally, the regenerative braking system ensures you get more mileage out of every ride. Smart features for the modern rider. One of the highlights of the Bajaj Chetak 2025 is its array of smart features. The scooter comes with a fully digital instrument cluster, Bluetooth connectivity, and GPS navigation, all accessible through the Bajaj app. Riders can track the scooter's location, check battery status, and even schedule servicing with ease. Moreover, the smart keyless entry system adds a touch of convenience and security. Environmentally friendly innovation. As the world shifts towards sustainable transportation, the Bajaj Chetak 2025 emerges as a front-runner. By combining zero emissions with energy-efficient technology, it not only helps reduce the carbon footprint but also offers a quieter, smoother riding experience compared to traditional scooters. Bajaj has priced the Chetak 2025 competitively, aiming to make it accessible to a wide range of customers. While the exact price may vary based on the region and variant, it's expected to start at an affordable range, ensuring value for money. Pre-orders are already open in select cities, and the official launch is set to roll out across India and other global markets in early 2025. Choose the Bajaj Chetak 2025 if you're looking for an electric scooter